Hello everybody, this is a quick video on how to install your R.S.R mount onto your SKS rifle. All the tools that you'll need to install this mount is a hammer, 3/32 Allen key, 1/8 punch, a small pair of needle nose pliers, and a small flathead screwdriver. So we'll go ahead and move our tools out of the way here. And first things before working with any firearm, ensure that it's unloaded. And now we can go ahead and start by removing the rear sight. So what we want to do is grab our 1/8 punch and get it seated right on this front edge of the rear sight. And we don't want it at a perfect 45, we want it a little bit steeper than that. Our goal here is to hit the rear sight down and back slightly to get it underneath these two shoulders that hold it in place. So if you just get your 1/8 punch and give it one or two good hits, it should either pop out completely or start sliding back just like this. And once you're at this point, you can just pull straight back and it should slide right out. So that is your rear sight removed. Now you want to remove the spring that sits underneath the rear sight. You will go with your small flathead screwdriver and slide it in right in front of the spring and pry it up until you are able to fit your needle nose pliers under the front of it. And then once you're here, you can pull up slightly and pull forward, and it should just slide right out just like that. So with everything removed from your rear sight block, you can start installing your R.S.R mount. So this mount just slides right in to your rear sight block, and from here you can install your roll pin and hit it in with your hammer until it is flush on both sides. Just like that. So once your roll pin is installed, we go to our last step, which is installing our set screws. Now we recommend having Loctite on your set screws when you install this mount. All our kits come with Loctite pre-applied. If for some reason your kit did not come with Loctite or you're buying it used, we recommend getting Loctite just to ensure these set screws don't work themselves out due to recoil. And we want to start with the front hole first. And we want to get that all the way down, and we actually want to tighten this screw all the way. So get that nice and tight. So once you have that front set screw installed, we want to go to the rear set screw. Now the rear set screw, we will not be tightening that all the way. So we will just tighten it finger tight until it touches the shoulder that is underneath it. So if you look right here, that screw is just touching that shoulder, and all we want to do from this point is we want to tighten it a quarter turn. So you are all done. That is your R.S.R mount installed onto your SKS rifle, and I hope you guys enjoy.